Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to pay Uber Eats with card. So let's get into the video. So open up Uber Eats. So open up Uber Eats and log into your account. So once you've logged in here on your app, so now what we're going to do, we're going to add card. We're going to add our card as a payment method. So to do that, hit on your account underneath. So go to your accounts tab and then select wallet here. Click on wallet and then now under payment method, click on add payment method. So when you click on add payment method, so if you want to pay with a card, so simply select the card option, whether the credit or debit card option, simply click on it. And then now all you have to do is plug in your card details, okay, the card that you want to use. So once you have plugged in, hit on next and then complete this complete adding your card. So once you've completed this step, just plug in the details and hit on next. Once that's done, so your card will be added here. So you will see under payment methods your card will be added. So all you have to do is whenever you pay for Uber Eats, simply select your card as the payment method. So whatever card that you wish to use, simply select that card and then complete the checkout. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.